Yeah, need the VC, T-Brand, him the BT. Repeat. Let's go, my man. Tsindagira.
Times is hard, nigga, Tsindagira. The niggas roll with never seen bagusa. Better than me, nigga, him bagusa. More fire, shining babuda. Flows the town, can you nigga, him dagusa. Show some respect, new pin dagusa. Hustler, dealers, nigga, Tsindagira. If you ever wanna give up, Tsindagira. Don't listen to the man, them Tsindagira. My brother in the cage, Tsindagira. Until you see you next time, Tsindagira. Switch up the floor, not in the shit, look. Speed, who's gonna win? 2015 coming for your top 5. 20 man them just in case. So supposed to dress to impress. 20 ladies amazing grace. Each one of them got an amazing face. Wake up in the morning feeling so fresh. Changing my pocket and feeling so blessed. Original, can't copy your pace. I feel like the club black, white, so mixed race. I see a couple girls, I wanna invest. I see a couple haters, school face. As for now, I'm chilling in K-Town. I need beats, so I call out T-Brand. What's better than doing in your hometown? It's the realness, homegrown. You man a plastic made in Hong Kong. Tsindagira until my name ring bells. Tsindagira without singing for the girls. Pressing until the press charged 100%. Man fully charged up Afrobeat on an Afrobeat. I'm just having fun on an Afrobeat. When it comes to these bars, I'm a landlord.